So you found a pair of jeans that fits you perfectly on your waist and thighs. But the hem needs major alteration. And let's be real, we never end up taking it to the tailor. So the next best thing to do is cuff them. Today I'm going to show you 5 different ways to cuff your jeans. Roll your jeans up an inch. Repeat the step. The key here is just make sure that the second roll is wider than the first one. Fold the hem upwards, right below your calf. Pull the fold to make it fine, crisp and even. Fold your hem upwards, right below the calf. Fold it one more time, slightly smaller than the first one to create the overlap effect. For this one, pinch a section of the hem, hold it tightly and fold it twice. So for the pretzel, start with an overlap cuff. In this, one end is pulled up while the other side is pulled down. Sometimes we have a tendency to overdo the rolling and folding. Just keep it simple. Not too simple by letting it just gather at the bottom. Whatever you do, make sure you step out in style. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to POPxo Fashion.